Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a snowman snack for the winter holidays. First, you're going to need a candy corn for the hat and the nose, and then a banana for the body parts, and chocolate chips for the buttons, and pretzels for the arms. So first, you're going to cut the banana, 1, 2, and 3 for all 3 body parts. Gonna get them off, and then you're gonna get a toothpick to shove it through all 3 of them. Just like that. Once you have the body, you then place the buttons. You have 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3. And then you have the 2 eyeballs and the nose. So 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm gonna place them. So there's the body form. Then you get the pretzels for the arms. Then you just stick them in. Oh. And then you put your hat. And ta-da! You're done.